12 things you should know about yourself before it's too late. How much do you think you know about yourself? Nobody knows their full potential. We keep thinking that we can't do it or we don't have the potential to do it. Most of the time, people tend to doubt themselves. We're here in Knowledge Bedrock Channel, your best guidance to build your knowledge, learn new skills, build new habits, and entertain. We're sure you're smart enough to keep watching until the end and enjoy a free access to a wonderful self-development story from the author, Hani Ameri's page. Please show us some love by liking the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell and share. Anyway, even though it is human nature to think this way, you may not find out what you really can if you keep doing this to yourself. Here you will know all the 12 things you should know about yourself if you want to excel in life. Let's dive in. Number 1. You are more than what you think. Humans don't realize how much they can achieve until they are thrown into the situation. People often surprise themselves by overcoming things that they never thought they were capable of. The point is, you can't know something until you are living in the situation. Right now, you may be thinking about how hard or how tiring it is to achieve your goals. But years from now, when you will look back, how naive and stupid you were to underestimate yourself and how far you have come from the starting point. Our potential only unfolds when we allow it to. It won't evolve if we keep ourselves cozy under the warm blanket. Understand this about yourself, that will have to put an immense amount of effort into learning by yourself. Number 2. Spend time and think about what you can do. Just sit down for a minute and think. What is it that you can achieve in life? What is it that you can do? How can you contribute to your accomplishments? Think about your potential and think about how you can make use of it. This is something you must know about yourself before anything else. Without knowing what you can excel at, how do you even expect yourself to start on such a journey? You need to do a lot of thinking before you take any major step in life. Instead of thinking useless things like a fight with your colleague and how you could have come up with a better comeback, think of yourself and your potential. Number 3. How much are you willing to dedicate yourself to? For any purpose you want to achieve in life, you must find out how much time, effort, energy, or even money you are ready to sacrifice. See, to achieve anything, there is a bigger goal behind it. The bigger the plan, the bigger the dedication. You don't just start with things randomly on a random day. You deeply think about it and its consequences that are yet to come. You think if it will be useful for you or the other people around you. It's a complete package. You may suffer from it later on, but it won't just be you. Your job choice or your plan to change cities will also affect your family or loved ones. Therefore, think wisely. Number 4. Know your strengths and weaknesses. The most crucial thing you can do for yourself at this point is to sit down and write down your strengths and weaknesses on a piece of paper. It will help you list down things that will help you rise high and keep you anchored to meaningless things. For instance, your ability to be disciplined will take you a long way. Still, if you have anger issues, you might not be treating people well along the way, and many people will loathe you. This behavior is, of course, unwanted. Number 5. What do you expect from life? By now, you should know that there are certain things that life can give you if you walk on the right path. The ability to walk in the right direction will only come when you think about what you want from yourself and what you want from life. This idea will empower you to clear things in your head, and it will allow you to see something. When you start creating expectations in your head, your body and brain work accordingly to it. You subconsciously attract a similar energy of the universe and resonate it, which is why you must start creating expectations in your head if you haven't already. Number 6. Clear out the meaning of success. The word success has a lot of different meanings. If you ask 10 people what success means, there are high chances you may get 10 other answers. So, what does success mean to you? Is it earning a fortune? Is it big houses, luxury cars, or branded clothes? Is it a happy and settled family? Is it serving others? Or is it merely you being satisfied with your existence? There are many ways you can look at success, but only you can tell the answer to it in your diary. You will chase success only when it means the world to you. You will not find the will in yourself. Hence, keep calm and think about what kind of success is in the question here. If you enjoy watching the video right now, don't miss out. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share. Number 7. How much others contribute to your growth. Sometimes all you need is moral support. Sometimes you might have to borrow money from a friend or just prayers from your parents. Whatever it is essential to know what your friends and family can do for you if they support you in any possible way to help you grow in your purpose. If that's not the case, if you think no one can understand or contribute to that you have in mind, you should know that even being a lone wolf is okay if you have what it takes to survive. Number 8. Where do you get your motivation? Everyone has a muse, and so do you. You just need to know what. You need to reveal the things that inspire you to become better or improve the way you think. It encourages you to move forward, and it doesn't stop you from growing. Look around yourself. Check your source of motivation and inspiration. It can be your children whose future makes you want to work around the clock, or it can be your spouse for whom you wish to the world. Or it can even be you. You just need to know the source and depend on it to make it a better version of you. Number 9. What is toxic for you or your goals? Everything that becomes a negative thought in your head or anything toxic for you is extremely unhealthy for your mental well-being. You should know this as you take on your path to success. You can't sit back and ponder and rewind over failures you had in the past. These are all toxic thoughts that are holding you from moving on. You must know how to eliminate many things from your life and how much strength you need to overcome it. Do whatever you can do in your power to free yourself from such unforgiving chains so that you can look at the bright and positive aspects of life. Number 10. Notice who is your ally and who isn't. The most important thing you need to know right now is to check who is rooting for you and who is not. Who wants the best for you and who is jealous of your achievements. Once you know this, stay close to those who mean right in your favor and break ties from people who are merely interested in seeing you fall to your knees. You never know who is conspiring in what way against you. Such demeaning acts can seriously hurt your progress if you don't realize on time how much a person is hurting your career or your success. Number 11. Does achieving your goal make you happy? Are you working on something because you want to achieve it, or are you just doing it under pressure, or because everyone else is doing it too? Unless you learn to enjoy and stay happy with what you are doing, you may never really live through the experience. You may just be surviving through it each day. You should know that if you do not find yourself happy with what you are doing, you may soon become detached from it and lose the focus. This may lead to an incomplete goal and nothing else. Even if you are forcing yourself to do it now, you can't keep pushing yourself to do the same thing for the next decade for that matter. And number 12. Does everything boil down to having a satisfactory life? Think about it thoroughly. Is everything that you are doing worth it? Does it satisfy you? Does it bring you peace and serenity in your head? If not, why waste your precious time into doing something that does not provide the essential thing of them all? Contentment. You should know what satisfies you or not to keep things going and to keep you sane. Final thoughts. Think of it like this. A hidden treasure is only found when you try to find it. Similarly, your hidden talents and potentials will only show itself when you will explore. By exploring, it means to take time and know more about yourself. People often spend a lot of their time observing other people. Little do humans look into themselves. If you start doing this, you can eliminate several toxic or damaging things from your life. Finally, it's time to enjoy your gift from Knowledge Bedrock. Click the link in the description below to get a free access to read a wonderful story from the author's page. We hope you enjoyed watching the video, and we'd love to hear from you, so please tell us in the comments below what are your best ways to accomplish things in life. We'll see you in the next video.